Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta Full Forum videos. In this video, we will talk about KFC Full Forum. What is the full form of KFC? KFC means Kentucky Fried Chicken. It is a famous fast food and chicken restaurant present in the worldwide location. KFC has more than 20,000 outlets in 125 countries and territories across the worldwide. Now, what competitors are present in the world beside KFC? McDonald's, Burger King, Subway, Dunkin' Donut, Starbucks, Pizza Hut, Domino's, PepsiCo. These companies or these famous fast food outlets are the top competitor of KFC. This competitor sold the same product which is sold by KFC. Beside that, KFC is a best brand or favorite place for number of peoples due to their best chicken or other related things. If we talk about KFC items, then what is veg ginger, chicken ginger, crunchy burger, rice blows, mingle bucket, dio bucket meal, dips bucket, chick and share, friendship bucket, triple treat. These items are available in KFC, and KFC competitor also solding same items, but KFC is the best place for these items. Now, if we talk about more KFC full form, sorry, this is mistake again, as we did in last. I forget to change the heading. Sorry for that. Now, okay. What is the full form of KFC's? Kitchen Fresh Chicken, Kung Fu Kettle, Kentucky Fried Cat, Kitchen Fixed Charge, Kitchen Fried Chicken, Keep Finger Crossed, Korean Fried Cat. These are the full forms. You can pause the video and read one by one. Maybe this will help you in your competition or GK question answer exams. Now, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the Code Meta channel by clicking subscribe button. From us you will get more videos on different topic, so click on subscribe to keep watching more videos. See you in next video.